Gotta find them out. Oh, come on, guys. Y'all can't be hiding in here. We gotta go. We got a long way to drive to get to Tampa. Howdy. I sure am going to be glad to get out of this cold weather because A, it is freezing this morning. There's ice on everything. And B, it's supposed to snow and ice on Sunday. It's going to be 27 here and 72 in Tampa. So, Tampa, here we come. So the Tampa Show, guys, is going to be, I think it's going to be really awesome this year. And I think all the manufacturers are really going to come with a lot of their best stuff. And
it is going to be packed.
It's going to be packed. It's going to be packed with people. So we'll see how that goes. But the other plus is that every superstar YouTube channel pretty much is going to be there, including us. So that's a plus. But the only problem we have right now is we are not there. So we've got to get there.
Let's go.
Let's go. That is about 680 miles away. We're not going all the way today. We're going to stop somewhere along the way at probably a Boondockers Welcome. We'll talk about that in a little bit, but let's go. All right, time to stop for a little fuel and some food. So you know what that means. That means Buc-ee's, always for us, if there's one around. So lots of RVs on the road headed south. Can only mean Tampa. So and Super Show. All right, guys, so we have made it here to our stop. Our first stop on the way to the Tampa RV show is Barry's compound. It's a Boondockers Welcome.
It's a great place. It's very cool.
Really cool. And Barry has a lot of great reviews. And a lot of the bigger YouTubers stay here. Or we pulled in and we're getting set up and pretty much finishing up and going inside the rig. And who is pulling in next to us? But that is the Hanks. Happily ever Hanks. So we stayed here a couple of nights, last night and the night before. And you never know who's going to show up. So we hung out with the Hanks, Happily Ever Hanks, last night. So that was cool. They were really cool.
They were very cool.
Yeah. Shared little conversation.
Yeah, and I made a charcuterie tray. And we just enjoyed, just hanging out, being regular folk.
So, and then today,
it's a little windy.
It's a little windy, but down there in the distance, you mean the RV has pulled in. I guess they're staying the night because they're headed to the show as well. So you never know who is going to show up. So, but if you need a cool place to stay, Barry's compound is thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Look it up.
Thumbs up. Look it up.
Barry's a great guy.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. So tomorrow morning, we're going to try to leave kind of early to head out towards Lazy Days in Tampa.
Well, it's a little cold, and who would have thought that when we left Georgia that there was snow right behind us? That we're here.
I'm glad we're here. Yeah, aren't you glad?
You could call us snowbirds.
Oh my goodness, look at
No
you
snowbirds.
sniffing. Look at you.
Oh, I love it. You're talking to the dog, but it looks like you're looking at me in the
I
camera.
love you.
Oh, yeah. I love you too.
Hello. Hello. Oh, that's better. There she is. There she is. Peace out. Peace. So we're going to go over here and say goodbye to Barry and get out of here. So head towards Tampa. I don't know what you and the RV's doing over there, but it looks like they're backing some stuff up and going to hook up their toad.
And we'll be seeing them at the Tampa RV show also.
Absolutely. Let's get out of here. Enjoying the chips.
Huh?
Enjoying the chips.
Oh. Instagram and some Bucky's potato chips.
Oh shit, sorry.
Don't be doing that shit in here.
Wrong button. It's our fault. I guess. That's pretty crowded at this particular lot, especially if it's not that bad to get in and out. So it's always a better option if you can try to wiggle your way into a gas station somewhere, you know. Lazy days are here looking. Do do. Na do. Na do.
Tooting your own horn over there?
Did it toot my horn. Alright. Very efficient.
Yay!
Yay. YouTubers! I see them!
What? I want their autograph!
What's up, guys?
Hey, what's going on?
How y'all doing?
Pretty good. How are you, buddy?
Doing
When did
well.
you guys get in?
Oh, we're just a little while ago. We're just driving around trying to figure out what's going on. All right, guys. So we've made it here to Lazy Days RV Resort. Finally, a good little trip down. We got to meet you and me in the RV and Happy Ever Hanks. Hung out with them at Boondockers Welcome. So we're excited for the show. It's going to be a busy week. Make sure you subscribe, give us a thumbs up, like, comment. Just leave us a comment on the video. YouTube loves that. It helps us get shared around. And we greatly appreciate you. So stick around. Don't miss anything this week. And until next time, take care of each other. Love each other.
And make every moment count.
We'll see you next time, guys.